The New American Home is the premier showcase of innovation and design for the housing industry. And Environmental StoneWorks' latest new product is the star of the 2016 home.
In working with the architect on this home, it was really desired to make the home feel like it had kind of risen from the earth and had been chiseled out of the existing hills and mountains that surrounded this project, which was very critical then for us to find a product and to develop a product that was going to work both interior and exterior. We created a 7x21 panel piece that we're now calling the Luxor Panel. And we colored it specifically from the native rocks and landscape in the area.
Right from the get-go, we wanted the home to be really cohesive, interior, exterior, wanted everything to communicate with each other. And we actually took actual rock from the mountain, and that's what we used to give to Environmental StoneWorks, who used that to match color and texture so that what we ended up with on the home would indeed match with its surroundings.
It really is what we use to pull everything inside and outside. And so as you look at a lot of these linear walls that are, really pulling from the outside and coming all the way through the home, that's what, ties the house. And that's, kind of one of the grounding foundation pieces of the whole design.
We only had 6 months to develop, design, and create the product, as well as manufacture it for the job site.
We are the largest national manufacturer and installer of stone. So when you pull that together with the manufacturing aspect and the installation aspect, that's how we were really able to come together on a tight time frame.
Well, once construction began, we did run into an issue where we had some pieces that had to be installed horizontally and upside down. So we brainstormed and worked with the architect and our in-house team and developed a product that was, in essence, a different sized corner that we were able to use in lots of different applications throughout the home. It was also very critical as we were working, knowing that there were a number of places where our stone was being installed that were bisected by windows or glass pieces, that the lines carried through consistently throughout the house.
In terms of the installation of this, it is very much a custom installation. And then when you look at all the corners, every corner piece has to be cut, and it's cut by hand. So literally we're on site, they're fabricating, and so you'll have pieces that are cut 2, 3, 4. I think we probably have a piece or two out there that has 5 different cuts on it to get it to fit. From a service standpoint, absolutely stepped up to the plate. They pulled in crews from other states and really came to bat for us in meeting the tight timeline. Environmental StoneWorks is the only player in our mind that really can step up and create that for us.
The neatest thing that we find about working with the New American home builders and architects is that it brings us into the future of what design and architecture is for our industry.
The innovation that they bring to us truly is that we're able to go to them and say, this is what we want, this is how we want it to look and feel, and the shape of it and the color, and they can make that happen. They have a product that we're willing to say and look at and gravitate towards and say, yeah, this is what we want to kind of, be one of our star players in the home.